Good afternoon from InvestSharp. This is Randy Smotone with your Tuesday, November the 24th market update. On the economic front, quarterly GDP was revised downward to an annualized 2.8% from the initial estimate of 3.5%. The Conference Board data showed no significant improvement in consumer confidence during November. Index rose slightly to 49.5. The minutes for the November FOMC meeting showed the Fed participants seeing the risk to the economy balance, but there is high uncertainty. The dollar was unchanged. Gold and copper were up. Silver and oil were down. The light sweet crude future, were down $1.54 to settle at 76.02 a barrel. Let's take a look at the Dow. Dow closed down 17 points to close at 10,433. S&P closed down a whole 59 cents to 1,105. The Nasdaq closed down 6 points to 2,169, and the S&P held up the best, down only 0.05%. The Dow still hanging out, still up near this, pushing toward this 10,005 area, hanging out up here, really no change. S&P about the same, just drifting around this 1100, 1110 area. MACD could be turning to go up. Have to wait and see. The Russell's the one that looks let's look at the 60-minute on the Russell real quick. It's the one that has been the weaker of all of them. Is your smaller caps. It looks like there could be on the 60-minute chart on the Russell a head and shoulders. So keep an eye on that. There's that there and there. So if it confirms, it breaks this 580, closes below that. Target will be 555, so something to watch. Let's look at the gold ETF. A little hard today, lots of volume, major overcrowded. Silver is a little bit weaker, and actually there was some selling going on in silver today, really high volume, but we wound up actually closing closer to the high, so that's pretty bullish. Let's look at the VIX. VIX was down another 3% today. We're back down near this uptrend line area. Keep it on that. We've bounced at 20 before on the VIX. We could get a bounce, which would make the market go down if the VIX bounces a lot and goes up. So something else to watch. 8 of the 16 sectors we follow finished in the green today. The strongest sector was biotech. We followed BTK as the symbol. It was up over 2.5%. The weakest sector was home construction, and it was down over 1.5%. Here's some trade ideas. If oil stays down below the, say, $76 a barrel mark or so, you could probably go long U.S. Airways here. The symbol is LCC. It was up over 6% today. Heavy volume. Bounced right there off that uptrend line. Let's take a quick look at the point and figure chart on LCC. You can hear uptrend line LCC, so if you get a close below, say, 275 or so, you can probably get out. But it's actually on a buy signal on the point and figure, and it actually looks pretty safe for an entry down in this area as long as oil stays weaker. Let's look at United Health. UNH has a nice channel. It's been in since back here, April, May time frame. Been going sideways. 24 is the bottom, 30 is the top. We break out of 30 with volume. You can see about a 6-point move. You take 24, 30. You got 6 points in here. Throw it on top. You got 36. So my target would be 36 if we can break out above that. But United Health's looking good. Look at the point and figure on it real quick. It actually is on a sell signal, but it only went on sell signal by one box, which is actually a good entry. I kind of like it. To me, it's just still on a buy when it only takes it out by one box. I mean, no big deal. It's been on a buy signal. It's been looking pretty good above the uptrend line. So keep an eye on that. Like I said, back up here, this 30 area. And then I've been talking about this Marvell Tech for a while. I still like it. I'm still stocking it. Looks like an inverted head and shoulders hit right here. Target is about 1950. and we're going higher, so far so good. But it needs to confirm by closing above the 1650, break out with some volume. Another one to watch. And the point and figure on it is on a buy signal. Point and figure has a target of 23. Right here, looks good. Here's this 650 area we talked about. And last, Genco Shipping. It broke out with lots and lots of volume right here of a triangle back, I don't know, 5-6 days ago. We've come back down to retest this 2350, 24 area right here. Looks good. Safe entry right here. MACD looks good. You could at least target probably back up to this 30 level. Let's look at the point and figure on it. There we go. It's got a bullish price objective of $40.50. I'll believe that when I see it. But like right here, it says real safe entry. Close below, say down here in the 23 or so, you get out. But it looks good. Good low risk entry there. Let's go over, look at the current market signals. We follow the point and figure charts for the Dow, the NASDAQ, and the S&P. Right here. They're all on buy signals. They have been for a while. Look good. Price objectives haven't changed. Look at the point and figure charts of them. Here's the Dow. We're up here in no man's land, but it looks good. It's got a incredible price objective that who knows if we'll ever get there. SPX right here looks good. And NASDAQ is the one that I've been kind of watching closer because it's got this kind of triangle. It's building here, from here, and here. So it could either break to the downside or upside. Here it actually broke to the downside this last time. Broke a downside right there out of this triangle there. So let's watch that. And that's really it for today. So thanks for joining me. And remember to invest sharp.